No one ever said building things would be easy. And when it comes to building out here, boy, were they right. I'm Marc.
And I'm Mandy. Together we host a successful TV show, raise some very active children, and do the millions of other things all families do.
We thought it would be a good idea to turn our lives upside down by constructing the cabin of our dreams.
When we came across this piece of property, we did a walkthrough on it and we went,
We just fell in love.
yes, this is
It was love at
place.
first sight.
Join us from design and build to all the little fights. You promised
much
this,
money.
sell your car, make this happen, and cuddles in between.
We're putting our marriage and sanity on the line by building our personal Vacay Getaway.
Follow Marc and Mandy Saturdays on your local TV station and streaming service.
Could there be any more problems?